Hello everyone and welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share. Meet up. Forming positive sentences using many. Forming positive sentences using many. And welcome. Okukola emboozi ne bingi oba bangi. Okukola emboozi ne bingi oba bangi. Remember, here at Bingi.bangi we learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, let's start. Note. Please note. After many, we're going to add the subjects or items in plural. Once again, after the word many, the items must be in plural. Ng'omaze okukozesa bangi oba bingi, ebintu ebiddako birina kuba mu bungi. Once again, bangi oba bingi, ebintu ebiddako birina kuba mu bungi, as we're going to see. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. Okay, number 1 is, there are many boys. There are many boys. Wali waliwo abalenzi bangi. Wali waliwo abalenzi bangi. Example 2. The books are so many. The books are so many. Ebitabo bingi nnyo. Ebitabo bingi nnyo. Please note, here we've used books and boys. Since we've said after many, the subjects must be in plural. Ebintu birina kuba mu bungi bwabyo. That's why here we use books and boys. Ebitabo, abalenzi. Okay. Number 3. Many babies like milk. Many babies like milk. Abaana abawere bangi baagala amata. Abaana abawere bangi baagala amata. The basins are many. The basins are many. Ebbaafu nnyingi. Ebbaafu nnyingi. Okay, let's proceed. Many people have died. Many people have died. Abantu bangi bafudde. Abantu bangi bafudde. Number 6. I need many kettles. I need many kettles. Nze neetaaga ebbinika nnyingi. Nze neetaaga ebbinika nnyingi. She eats many mangoes. She eats many mangoes. And this in Luganda is ye, because of she. Ye alya emiyembe mingi. Ye alya emiyembe mingi. Okay, that is it in this video. Bye bye. Weraba.